All right, so today we're going to have a bonus video for proofreading and editing course. And this video will be about how to use the AI technology, artificial intelligence tools that we can use to utilize proofreading and editing. Some people even think that we will not need humans in the future, but I tell you what, still until now, many AI tools make mistakes in or does not give you the proper solutions. However, they are very useful and we will need them as a tool. I believe that AI will never replace humans because humans created AI. Very simple. So we have AI like Grammarly. So Grammarly here, let me explain to you. The red one, meaning that there might be a grammar mistakes or punctuation mistake. Um, the green one, maybe that means you can use better vocabulary to replace this one. And the blue one, maybe it will be for clarity. Your sentence may be unclear or hard to follow. Consider rephrasing. Rephrasing means to re-edit or edit your writing, change the grammar or punctuation, or change anything in the sentence, but keep the meaning the same. The meaning should be the same. So this is a tool, as we have known that migration is a journey of animals, which move from one place to another in their breeding period and find a good habitat during the. This is a sentence fragment. This appears to be incomplete sentence. Consider rewriting the sentence or connecting the fragment with another sentence. And here it gives you some examples. I am tired because what? You need to continue your sentence. So because you know why the problem? Because of using as in the beginning. Using as in the beginning makes this sentence incomplete. But if you just remove as, it will be complete sentence, right? Let's just use as. But here, does the AI technology tell you here where's the mistake? It tells you all this paragraph that is a sense fragment and give you examples on sense fragment, but it does not give you your example itself and how we should correct it. So sometimes, if you are not experienced writer or editor, AI will not give you everything. Okay, so let's just remove as. Okay, so now the sentence fragment problem has been resolved. We have known that migration is a journey of animals, which means the animals move from one place to another in their breeding periods, find a good habitat during the rest year. So have known is present perfect. This means that we recently know, like this, not a general information or truth or facts. We recently know this information. So it would be better if we just use the present simple. We know that migration is a journey of animals. Journey of animals that move from one place to another. This is written by a student of mine. Okay, I'm just giving it to you, just to show you how we can use the AI technology to, solve some mistakes. And then we will use the same writing again in ChatGPT, and let's see what's the difference. All right, very well. We know that migration is a journey. Okay, of course, if we can avoid we, the pronouns in academic, if you're writing academic writing, it would be better to avoid the pronouns. Instead, just say it is known, all right, would be much better. That migration, or just you can say migration is journey of animals that move from one place to another and they're very pure. And you can edit it many times as you wish. Okay? Suitable habitat and many things. I'm not going to actually correct everything today. I'm just giving you examples of how to use the AI technology. There's good thing about Grammarly that you have plagiarism. Pla- Plagiarism meaning you copy your writing from another source, and this is not good. If it's the more percentage, the worse you'll get on your essay writing if you're a student. And if you're a teacher, it would be a helpful tool to check if your students copy from Google or not. I'm sure you have other tools as well. So you can use the plagiarism. 3% is okay, not a big deal. This means all of this is original, just 3% is from this source. The students, of course, should make citation. If they copy something from any source, exactly the same, they should cite the source. And even if they rephrase the whatever they copied, all right, they also should cite what they have found. All right, okay. The second tool today is ChatGPT. Okay, this is version May 24th. Okay, so you're gonna tell the ChatGPT what you want from it to do. So I want you to find any mistakes in this essay. All right. So he will tell you, well, okay, well, provide me the essay. I put the essay, and then he will say sentence structure and clarity. As we have known that migration is a journey of which and so on. Correction, as we know, migration is a journey undertaken by animals, moving from one place to another during their breeding period and seeking suitable habitat throughout the rest of the year. So you can see here, he just to change that, because also that introduces another connect phrases, can introduce a sentence. All right. Here, this becomes a dependent clause, as we know, and here moved to that. Migration is a journey of undertaken by animals, and all the others around it are dependent clauses. So that's how ChatGPT solved the problem. All right. He just removed that to solve the issue, to solve the problem. Let's try another AI technology. Okay, this is another one called bard.google.com, and it's free. So also tell it what you want to do. I want you to correct the following. Listen, tell me what your say is. Not as smart as ChatGPT. Sounds like it's more of doing a research. Correct the mistakes, and they say provided above. It's still in the experiment, so it's not official. It's like beta, not official. Okay, sentence one. As we have known that migration is a journey of animals which move from one place to another in their breeding period and so on. Two, okay, the two like the solution. As we know, and he just dropped that. Migration is a journey that animals, you can put it after, it's okay. That animals take to move from one place to another. They do this for a variety of reasons, including breeding, finding food, and so on. So if you don't know more about that, you can search about the use of that, how to use it. It's not the idea of today's lesson, but it has a lot of uses in English grammar, right? Simply just put it in Oxford Dictionary to learn more about that as a pronoun, that as a determiner, that as a conjunction. Learn more about it. If you don't know why, we correct it this way. As we have known becomes as we know, and then comma, migration instead of. So that was actually the problem. Okay. We just removed it from here. Now it would be correct. Migration is a journey that animals take until the period. Okay, so this is our bonus video. Talks about how to use the AI technology, AI tools to help you with editing. And it's really amazing. It can help you with IELTS exam. It can help you with many exams. You cannot rely on its accuracy like 100%, but I have used it for a while. And I tell you what, it's very, very useful and saves lots of time. Okay, this is it for today. Thanks for watching and good luck.